Hello traders, in this video we'll be doing a weekly analysis on the pair EURAUD in multiple time frames for the upcoming week. Now by the end of this week's market close on Friday, we can see that EURAUD on a weekly time frame, right after making a breakout of this major key level with this bearish engulfing candle, it came all the way to retest this key level over here, and right after retesting this key level, it went on to this pullback move with this bullish engulfing candle and found this resistance right after retesting this key level over here. Now, if you look closely, then you can see it's really hard to locate certain key levels where EURAUD might react from on this pullback move before continuing with further bearish move, because you see there's not proper structure what we can mark over here. We can only mark this key level on the basis of its previous retest points. As you can see, if you go previously, we can see this retest points on this key level. So on the basis of those retest points, we marked these key levels where EURAUD might head to if it goes whether for a pullback move or on an actual move. Now if you go to the daily time frame, then you can see how EURAUD right after retesting this key level closed with this bearish engulfing candle, showed signs of price ejection from here and closed all the way like this. But then again, if you go to the 4-hour time frame, then you can see the resemblance why we mark this key zones as its support zone and as its resistance zone over here. Now if you go to the 4-hour time frame, then you can also see a downtrend channel that EURAUD made a breakout of, which led EURAUD to come all the way with this bearish engulfing move. And you can see how EURAUD right after testing this key level while moving in this pullback move is following up with this uptrend line over here, which EURAUD just made a breakout of, and it is also about to make a retest on this downtrend line as well. Now this kind of move, like while making a pullback after coming down with this with such a downtrend line while making a pullback, following up with a uptrend line and making a breakout of that uptrend line with further bearish move. Now this kind of movement is an indication of EURAUD or any price being done with this pullback move and continuing with this downtrend line move with further bearish move. But then again, to confirm that if EURAUD is going in a downward direction, we have to see at least a break and close below its previous low right around here with further bearish move to actually be sure whether EURAUD is moving down with further bearish move, or in the similar way we need to see at least a breakout of this previous high right over here, like this key level, or a breakout of this downtrend line over here with further bullish move to be confirming that if EURAUD moving even up with further bullish move as part of a deeper pullback to probably retest this key level over here. So for this meantime, we need to trade in between this key level and this key level before it does make a breakout either on the bullish side or on the bearish side. So to trade in between these two key level, we mark these some of these key zones over here. So on the basis of these some of these key zones, my anticipation for the upcoming week on EURAUD is that if we see EURAUD making a break and close above this key zone with further bullish move, then we can go to shorter time frame like 30 minutes time frame, and if we see EURAUD continuing with further bullish move by making higher lows into this resistance key level over here and making a break and close above this key level, then it would also be making a break and close above this downtrend line as well that it has been following for a really long time, as you can see. So a break and close above this resistance key level or this downtrend line, if you see, then we can look for trades on the long side in hopes of EURAUD reaching all the way to retest this key level over here. In the similar way, if we see EURAUD making a break and close below this key zone and coming to retest this key zone, and if you see EURAUD forming this sorts of a ranging phase around in between this and this key zone and making a break and close below this key zone with further bearish move, then we have this beautiful nice candle over here which EURAUD might go down with further bearish move to all the way retest maybe anywhere around this key level around over here to all the way to retest this key level over here. And if you see with further bearish move it continues to make a break and close below this key level, then we can obviously look for trades on the short side in hopes of EURAUD reaching all the way to retest this key level in continuation to this bearish engulfing move that it started all the way from here over here. So that's my analysis on EURAUD in multiple time frames for the upcoming week. And if this video helped you guys, then please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and also give this video a thumbs up.